Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Technical Studio. So before starting, I would like to say please subscribe me so that next video you can get notification. So now let's start. First question. So what is the use of all rows in SQL? So all rows is used for retrieving the records from recycle bin. Okay. So take example, select ID from campaign all rows. Okay, so here note all rows is not work in developer console. Okay, so now second question, can a contact be part of partner portal as well customer portal in salesforce.com? Okay, so yes, a contact can be part of a partner portal as well as customer portal in salesforce.com. Customer portal and partner portal depend on the user object and are not related to the contact object. So to the enable both portals for a contact, we need to create two users which will utilize two different salesforce.com license, on one license for customer portal and other for partner portal. Both users created for a same contact. Okay, we'll have two different profiles, one for customer portal, another for partner portal. Now third question, what are different kinds of dashboard component? So here some dashboard component. So chart, use a chart when you want to show data graphically. Gog, use a gog when you have a single value that you want to show within a range of custom values. Metric, use a metric when you have one key value to display. Okay, so enter metric level directly a component by clicking the empty text field next to the grand total. Metric component placed directly above and below each other in a dashboard column are displayed together as a single component. Table, use a table to show a set of report data in column form. Visual force page, use a visual force page when you want to create a custom component or show information not available in another component type. Custom yes control, custom yes control can contain any type of content that you can display or run in a browser. For example, a Java applet, an ActiveX control, an Excel file, or a custom HTML web form. Now, fourth question, what are the different ways of making a field mandatory? Okay, it's common question. So, three ways of making the field mandatory are page layout. Field can be made mandatory from the page layout when it needs to be made mandatory for a set of users. Field label security. So field can be made mandatory from the FLS field label security when it needs to be made mandatory for all the users in the organization and even from the APIs. Validation rule. Field can be made mandatory from the validation rule when it needs to be made mandatory for user who is using the same page layout used by other users. Okay, so salesforce.com recommends using the page layout option for making the field mandatory. Okay, now fifth question: which object can be imported by import wizard? Okay, and what is limitation of import wizard? Okay, so here some object can be imported using import wizard. So accounts, contacts, leads, solutions, and custom objects. Okay, and some limitations. So you cannot import these objects. Okay, by the data import wizard. Okay, so assets, cases, campaigns, contracts, documents, opportunities, and products. Okay, now this question: what is the maximum size of the PDF generated on Visual Force attribute render as? Okay, so 15 MB. So it's a governor limit 15 MB. Now seventh question: what is the Visual Force view state? Okay, it's good question. So Visual Force pages that contain a form component. Okay, so we have to use form component. Also contain an encrypted hidden form field that encapsulates the view state of the page. This view state is automatically created, and as its name suggests, it holds the stage of the page. State that includes the components, field values, and controller state. Okay. Here note: minimize number of form on a page. Use apex action region instead of using two or more forms. Okay. Define your SOQL to only retrieve the data needed by the page. All public and private data members present in standard, custom, and controller extensions are saved. The transient variables are not passed to view state and therefore not storage in view state. Okay, so for more information, okay, so you can log in www.vinodsfdc.cf. Okay, so it's a good site, so you can log in. Okay, and you can get more information about Salesforce. So please subscribe me. Okay, so you can get for next video, so notification of next video. So thank you for watching.